Hello, kids. Did you know that some reptiles have been roaming the earth since the time of dinosaurs? Yet, many people still don't know how to tell one reptile from another just by looking. What secrets do their scales, tails, and colors hold? Today, we're going to unlock those secrets and discover the amazing world of gigantic reptiles. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the characteristics of reptiles and their body features. Identify key reptiles using their scientific names and unique traits. Understand the diversity of reptiles and their adaptations. Analyze how patterns and features help identify individual reptiles. Let us take a look at the characteristics of reptiles. Reptiles are cold blooded animals, meaning their body temperature changes with the environment. They have dry skin covered with scales or bony plates, which help protect them. Most reptiles lay soft shelled eggs. Now try answering this question. What type of skin do reptiles have? Now, let us look into some reptiles and their scientific names and traits. First, let us take a look at Cyclura lewisi. This animal is also known as the blue iguana and is famous for its unique scale patterns. Next comes the Chlamydosaurus kingi. This reptile is also called the frilled lizard, and it is notable for the frill around its neck. There are many other reptiles, including cobra, rattlesnake, Komodo dragon, and skink. Now think about this. How do scientific names help scientists communicate about reptiles worldwide? Reptiles come in many sizes and shapes, from small lizards with short limbs to large, powerful, and dangerous snakes. Some have venom to defend themselves or hunt, like cobras and rattlesnakes. Others, like the Komodo dragon, are the largest lizards alive. Think and answer this question. How do venomous snakes use their adaptations for survival? Let us take a look at the scale patterns and identifications of these reptiles. Just like human fingerprints, the scale patterns on reptiles are unique to each individual. For example, the blue iguana has scale patterns that scientists use to tell one individual from another. This helps in studying their behavior, tracking their movements, and protecting endangered species. Understanding how to read these natural ID cards also helps scientists monitor population sizes and health, plan habitat protection point, and ensure that breeding programs maintain genetic diversity. Now think and answer, why is it important for scientists to identify individual reptiles? Today, we learned about reptiles, their cold-blooded nature, body features, and how to identify them using scientific names and physical traits. These incredible creatures have survived for millions of years by adapting in fascinating ways. We also explored the importance of their unique scale patterns for research and conservation. Now, before we end this lesson, think about this question. Can you think of other animals that might have unique identifying features like reptiles?